Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. It's a bit windy out there. We've had calm days for so many days. The wind is here. I don't like the wind. All right. Last night, I had a little bit of fun with some pantry cooking where I prepared smoked sausage and cabbage with an Indian flair over rice. Yeah, it was really good. The combination of spices I used were perfect. Gotta love having the library. It's fun. Tonight, the Culinary Expedition is kicking off in December, where I'm going to be preparing a Tunisian fish couscous. I changed the recipe like an hour ago, maybe an hour and a half. I decided the pasta dish was just like, Yeah, this is going to be more fun. So let's get to it. Since I changed here at the last moment, this bowl represents whitefish. I'll be picking up some cod this morning at Winco because I can get it fairly inexpensive. And we have some kosher salt, black pepper, half of an onion, which I'll dice, some olive oil. I'll be slicing up this carrot. This little bowl represents some tomato, which I will also pick up this morning. The recipe does call for a fish stock. I'm not making fish stock. I'm just going to use vegetable broth, a little bit of tomato paste, and the spices are as follows: cumin, coriander, Hungarian paprika, and a little bit of cayenne. And of course, we're finishing this off with couscous. In actuality, this fish is actually, I think you would say it's poached on the stovetop with the stock, aka broth, and all the spices and veggies, and then it's served over the couscous. Looking forward to this one. I should have chose this one first, but hey, we're doing it now. So on this Wednesday, stay out of the wind if you can. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.